Bland AI Review. Is it the AI caller worth it? Bland AI is an enterprise-grade AI phone agent platform that enables the automation of outbound and inbound phone calls. It generates human-like voice interactions in any languages and integrates with systems like CRMs, schedulers, and SMS tools. So what it offers is a custom voice agent that speaks multiple languages with emotional nuance. It also has conversation pathways, which allows businesses to define rules and workflows. It is also self-hosted for the infrastructure for high reliability, so and speed as well. And it's priced at 0.09 per minute, billed exactly per second. So what it offers for the pros is it has low latency voice interactions. So the real time will may feel around 400 ms. It can also handle calls 24/7. It is also effective at improving efficiency and it is highly scalable. The only problem is it has a complex setup, so the prompts takes time and testing. The voice can also feel flat or robotic. The ethical also has concerns, so the demo bots have convincingly called themselves human, and they have scalability issues in real-world tests. So in conclusion, bland AI can be effective for automating straightforward, repetitive customer interactions, especially when 24/7 coverage and quick response is paramount. But if you need nuanced, emotionally intelligent engagement or operate in regulated industries where transparency and trust matter, its limitation and ethical trade-offs may outweigh the benefits.